guys, I am here with a video. I'm doing a review today, and today I am reviewing the Tide Plus Bleach. So you guys, I had this as a part of my stash. I have had it a long time. The reason I had it a long time is because you don't have to use that much. Oh, it smells good. That's how much I have left. Still a decent amount, but it will be gone soon. So this Tide here with the bleach is so hard to find. And Walmart, I think I got this from Walmart or either Target when I brought this. And it has the Acti-Lift crystals. It's color safe. It does 80 loads. It's good for your regular machines and your HE. So I used to buy this many years ago, and it always cleaned my white clothes really well, my light clothes well, and I think I paid $18.99 or close to $20, and I'm going to tell you it was worth it. It was worth it because you don't have to use much, and this is a good product here. If you're dealing with dingy clothes, dingy lights and whites, you might want to pick some of this up. It has more whitening and brightening power for your money. You know I like to save, and I buy cheaper brands sometimes, but sometimes you need something really good. I'm not doing a whole lot of clothes shopping this year. I could, but I decided against it. So Tide with bleach is a good way to keep your clothes smelling fresh. First of all, smelling fresh, looking good, make your clothes stay and look new. So if you see this in your Walmart or any other store, pick some up. I believe they have it in the smaller boxes too. So you might want to get some of this. I find that it's very effective on white socks. Your socks will look nice, clean, and bright. I'm going to tell you what it smells like. It has such a good smell. So this is the original. This detergent is perfect for your kids' clothes, your mate's clothes. If they get very dirty, they have a hard job, this is perfect for that. Your clothes will come out looking good, smelling good. I haven't thrifted in a long time, but this is also good as when you bring your things home from the thrift store. It's to give them a good wash with this powder here. And it's expensive, but I think it is worth it. Sometimes I don't use this for everything because I want to like stretch it out. But you can use it for everything. And like I said, you're getting a lot in this. 144 ounces, and it is 9 pounds. So that is good. So guys, I hope you like this review. I will be buying more of this laundry detergent when it runs out because it's everything that they say it is. I know Tide is a trusted brand that, you know, all of us buy, and sometimes you can save money with the good stuff too, like this. I think powders last a little bit longer than the liquid, because with the liquids, and I love the liquid, but sometimes you can tend to pour a little too much. So it's easier to measure out the amount with the powders. Okay guys, this is it for the review. I hope you liked it. And I will be coming back with some more. I have so many detergents that I picked up for about a year or two. And I'm not through all of them yet. So on this channel or on my Sacha Monique Talk Soap and Suds review channel. But I've still put stuff over here, so if you don't go over there, then you can still see some things here. So I love you all.